So the big developing story in the Jamaica Premier League is that the coach of promoted team, Chapelton Maroons, Lenny Hyde, has been fired, and they are looking to replace him with the former Reggae Boys assistant coach, the Brazilian Clovis de Oliveira. And right away, we have more maverick questions than answers. Now, first of all, Chapelton Maroons owe their ascendancy to the Premier League to Lenny Hyde and the Clarendon College D-Cup players. Lenny Hyde is still the Clarendon College coach. They just finished a successful schoolboy season. Now, with this falling out between Coach Lenny and the Chapelton Maroons ownership, will the Clarendon College players be still allowed to play for the Chapelton Maroons? Will the players still want to play for the Maroons after them coach? Yes, yes. And if the Clarendon players don't play, where Chapelton Maroons are going to get baller from? For Clovis de Oliveira or any other coach to coach? Yes. And speaking of Clovis, where is he coaching? Is he still coaching? Can Clovis de Oliveira manage coaching in the Jamaica Premier League? Yes. You think so? Yes. Yes.